In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock rows and columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a complex spreadsheet or just need to keep important headers visible as you scroll, this feature is incredibly handy. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can maximize the way you work with your data. Imagine you're dealing with a spreadsheet filled with lots of information, spanning dozens, if not hundreds, of rows and columns. When scrolling through your data, it's easy to lose track of where you are, especially if you forget the headers. This is where locking or freezing rows and columns can really help. It essentially allows you to keep your headers in view at all times, making it much easier to understand the data you're working with. First, open your Google Sheets document. You'll notice at the top right corner of the sheet that there's a set of grey bars, which might be easy to overlook at first. Pay close attention, as these are crucial for locking your rows and columns. On these grey bars, there's an even darker grey section. As you hover your mouse over this darker grey portion, you'll notice your cursor changes to a hand icon. This is the sign that you're in the right place. Now, for the exciting part, freezing your rows or columns. Decide which row or column you want to keep visible while scrolling. For rows, you'll want to focus on dragging the grey bar located at the top left of your sheet, right beside row numbers. Click and hold this grey bar and gently drag it downward. You'll notice that as you drag, a thick line appears beneath the row you're freezing. Release the mouse when you've positioned it just where you need the row locked. Similarly, if you want to lock columns, focus your attention on the grey bar at the far left of your sheet, next to column letters. Click, hold, and then drag this darker grey bar to the right, stopping where you need the column to remain static as you scroll. Release the mouse, and just like that, your columns are locked and visible, no matter how far you scroll. A great thing about this feature is that you aren't limited to just one row or column. You can lock multiple rows and columns simultaneously. Simply repeat the same process for as many rows or columns as you need to keep visible. This flexibility is perfect for complex data sets and ensures you always have the crucial headers in sight. And there you have it. Now, whenever you scroll through your data, those essential headers will remain visible, making your data analysis a breeze. This simple yet effective tool is bound to enhance the way you interact with Google Sheets. Enjoy organizing your spreadsheets with greater ease and efficiency.